A pleasant welcome to all. Myself, Aparna. I am from Coimbatore. I am currently pursuing my UG degree in BSc IT at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I take a couple of moments to share a few points about business model Canva, and I have chosen ISMO Limited to explain in business model Canva.
First, we will see what is business model Canva. Business model Canva is a shared language for describing, visualizing, assessing and designing business model. It describes the relational of how an organization creates, deliver and capture values. It can also be used by a team, that is employees or an advisor, to understand relationships and reach agreements. I have chosen ISMO Limited to explain in business model Canva. ISMO Limited is the world leader in interactive marketing solution. ISMO Limited is a leading software company based in Bangalore with operation in 7 countries. The company offers high-tech automotive retailing solution in North America, Europe and Asia. The company, founded in 1995, is listed on BSE and NSE. The headquarters of ISMO Limited is at Asia and there are more than 4,11,000 users. Let us see industrial verticals and innovative technologies of ISMO Limited. The industrial vertical, however, is more specific and describe a group of companies that focuses on shared news or specialized market spanning multiple industry. A rapid advancement in emerging technologies such as industrial internet things and artificial intelligence enabled solution enables company to tackle these challenges. ISMO Limited is a pioneer in the automotive retail space with a retail blasting legacy of innovative product that defines a standard in the markets. Let's see some important segments of ISMO. Key partners. Key partners are the relationship that a company have with other entities that help the business model to work. Key activities. When it comes to business model Canva, key activities are any activity that your business is engaged in for the primary purposes of making profit. Business activity includes operation, marketing, production, problem solving and administration. Next, key resources. In business model Canva, key resources are the thing you need to deliver your value propositions of your customer segment. Value proposition. Value proposition is the reason why customer turns you to company over other. It solves your customer's problem or satisfy your customer's need. Each value proposition consists of a selected bundle of product or services that catches to the requirement of a specific customer segment. Customer relationship. Customer relationship describes the type of relationship a company establishes with a specific customer segment. A company should clarify the type of relationship it wants to establish with each customer segment. Relationship can be saved from personal to automotive. Customer segment. Customer segments are the different group of people or organization your enterprises aim to reach and serve. This includes users who might not generate revenue but which are necessary for the business model to work. Revenue streams. In this section of Canva can be used to map out the income generated from each of the company's customer segment. This can be calculated by subtracting the cost from the revenue created by your customer segment. Cost structure. Cost structure is one of the building blocks of business model. It represents how companies spend most of their resources to keep generating demands for their products and services. The cost structure together with their revenue streams help access the operational scalability of an organization. Let's see value proposition of ISMO Limited. ISMO Limited is presently ranked 70th in the inaugural editions of Economic Time Statista, India's Growth Champion 2020. ISMO Cars is a leading provider of automotive solution globally with the operation in North America, Europe and Asia. We provide a retail solution for online e-commerce, CRM and data analytics for the automotive industry. ISMO Limited's enterprise product division has been marketing open text portfolio products since more than 20 years and has a client base of over 700 clients in India. ISMO Limited owns the world's largest collections of automotive images and animations. This comprehensive library of automotive contents from the platform on which innovative marketing tools like the ISMO cultural branches are built on. In business, your key partners are the relationship that your business has with other businesses to ensure your business model will be successful. Some of the key partners of ISMO Limited are PlayStation, AVS, Auto Traders, Microsoft, Headset, Tenbucks and so on. And finally, I thank you for being here today. I really appreciate that you took your time to be here and listen to my presentation.